Originally conceived for the Japan Self-Defense Force, the mega cruiser was also sold as a limited production civilian model. Equipped with portal axles, triple locking differentials, and four-wheel steering, Toyota's massive beast easily outperformed the relatively diminutive Land Cruiser off-road. Production ended in 2001, and most sources agree fewer than 150 civilian examples were produced, of which reportedly as few as 12 were left-hand drive. Interestingly, Toyota insisted any similarities to the Humvee or Hummer H1 were purely a matter of form following function. Power comes from a 4.1-liter turbodiesel four-cylinder engine, rated at about 155 horsepower and 282 pound-feet of torque. Internally coded 15 BFT, it spins all four wheels via a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 2-speed transfer case. Factory equipment includes four-wheel inboard disc brakes, portal axles, locking front, center, and rear differentials, four-wheel steering, dual rear window wipers, power windows and locks, air conditioning, a 24-volt electrical system, and highlights include an IBA Works fold-down brush guard, LED light bars, a Waco head-up speedometer display. Interior: custom upholstered shifter console and parking brake and transfer case boots. Custom carpeted center console storage box with custom armrest. Brody knob bracket on steering wheel, knob removed. 2 spring-type cup holders on center console. 2 handheld radios and associated mounts on center console. Velcro pad affixed near shifter.